Are you ready to enter your rich girl era? By the end of this video, I'm not only going to show you how to master the mindset of abundance in just 3 steps, but I'll spill the tea on my all-time favorite money mantra. And trust me, you want to jam to this mantra before your next shopping spree. I've got this big mission to help 1 million households take control of their financial future. If you like what you learned in this episode, which you totally will, go to the description area here and check out my free financial independence masterclass called 3 Secrets to Taking Control of Your Financial Future. That'll have you adulting like a pro. Then spread the wealth. Share it with 10 people who deserve to become financially free and help us crush that 1 million attendee goal by 2024. So what exactly is an abundance mindset? Think of abundance mindset as the ultimate smartphone battery. It never dies. Just when you think you've used all of your opportunities, all the screen time, it magically finds some extra juice. Is believing that no matter the apps you run, live notifications, or those endless Zoom meetings, there is always more energy and opportunities charging you up. With an abundance mindset, you won't panic at 1% when you're basically rocking a life charger in your pocket. It's the belief that there is more than enough for everybody to have more than enough and then more than enough left over. It's the anti-Wall Street bro zero-sum game. With an abundance mindset, you'll be attracting financial success like a magnet, just like I taught myself to do so and went from being broke as a joke to a multimillionaire. So here are the 3 ways you can create your winning abundance mindset. Number 1, celebrate small wins. Picture this, you're at the start of your financial journey and it's very tempting to compare yourself to those big shot multimillionaires, but hey, don't go there. Instead, pop the confetti for those small victories like opening the Roth IRA or kicking that credit card debt into the curb. These wins, they are the building blocks of your empire. Just ask one of my $1 Million Family Accelerator members, Sean. Every week, we share our wins as a group. And she was thinking reaching 100K was no big deal. We were taught by society to downplay our wins. That's what Dan Sullivan puts it as living in the gap. Don't do that. The more you celebrate small things, the more abundance you invite to your life. Number 2, surround yourself with the right people. Ever heard that gem from Jim Rohn? You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, it's true. Hang out with Debbie Downers and guess what? Your wallet is gonna feel as gloomy as theirs. Flip that script. Chill with the go-getters, the money masters, the life enthusiasts. Watch your financial vibe rise to the moon. Number 3, practice the art of giving. Being generous doesn't mean you need a Scrooge McDuck vault. Even sprinkling a little magic dust on charitable causes can supercharge your abundance mindset. It's like a reminder that there is more than enough to go around. And if you want to take it to the next level, share not just your cash, but also your time and your positive energy at charitable events. It'll come back at you tenfold. Now, before you dash off to manifest your millions, here's a little bonus tip. Turn your money mantra or wealth mantra or whatever mantra you have into a simple, catchy song that you can sing it over and over and over again. If it's simple enough, you can sing it in the shower, sing it in traffic, just sing it any time of the day. You'll be chanting your way to wealth all day long. So since my voice sucks, my money mantra is actually to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, because literally I cannot sing any other song. And this tune is so easy to remember and is so heart-lifting and uplifting that you can sing it any time of the day. And even if you're super angry and super upset and super down, it'll lift you up. You wanna hear my song? Yay! All right, so here's my song. I'm only singing the first part. It goes on and on about my relationship, about my wealth, about my health, and about my love life. Here's the wealth part. What is it? I sing it every day. Oh, it actually starts with my mission of helping 1 million moms. And here it goes. Don't judge my singing, all right? I have helped 1 million moms to take control of their funds. 50 new moms every day tell me I changed their life, yay. This is what my life is for. I'm a goddess to adore. So if you like this video and want to practice your abundance mindset, start with the third tip I shared today. Practice the art of giving. Share this video with your friends and help us achieve our goal of helping 1 million households take control of their financial future. And as always, make your money have babies. Wealth comes to me easily. I live my life carefreely. Joyous, trusting, free and fun. Playful, dancing in the sun.